Some people don't fall behind in life. They arrive late on purpose, because what they're becoming can't be rushed. They are the quiet ones who never quite fit the rhythm of the world. Too thoughtful, too slow, too serious. While others chase attention, they watch from the edges. While others rush into labels, career, partner, identity, they hesitate. Not because they're afraid, but because something inside them refuses to choose too early. Carl Jung thought there are some who are not made for fast victories. Their development is not marked by the same clock. They feel things beyond their capacity as children to explain. They observe a room's moods, people's patterns, the contradictions adults too often overlook. Yet they do not yet have the words, so they remain silent. And silence gets misinterpreted as weakness. As young adults, the pressure intensifies. Society rewards speed, confidence, imitation. Pick a path, commit, compete. But for this rare personality, imitation feels like betrayal. They try to fit, but something inside resists. They change directions. They pause. They withdraw. From the outside, it looks like confusion. From the inside, it feels like survival. Jung called this delay necessary. While some construct lives externally, these people are constructing internally. They question what's real, what's borrowed, what's false. This makes everything take longer, but it is what keeps us from living someone else's life. Early on, they often struggle. Loneliness becomes familiar. Failure leaves marks. They come face to face with their doubts, their envy, their anger. Most people hide these parts. The rare personality studies them, and it is this painful honesty that lends depth. Then quietly, something changes. Usually not in their 20s, sometimes not even in their early 30s. But one day, the noise fades. They stop comparing. They stop apologizing for their pace. They begin to trust themselves. This is the time to come out. Not loud, not dramatic, solid. Their words are fact because they're proven. They're serene in their choices because they're attuned. The young no longer seek approval, and that makes them weirdly powerful. Jung thought that this kind of person takes a long time to mature, but when they finally do, they don't break down. They don't burn out. Their successes don't hollow them. It fits. So if you've always felt behind, consider this. Maybe you weren't late. Maybe you were growing roots instead of chasing fruit. And roots take time, but they hold everything.